Welcome back to Let's Make. Today I'm going to be showing you how to feed, water, and clean your chick's cage. Kara had a question about why do the chicks need a light? If you don't give them the light, then they will freeze to death. So I suggest you get a light. And let's get into the video. So here's the chicks. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any one of my videos, please. So I remember the chick's name. The chick's name is Mildred. And yeah. So we're gonna, So we're gonna take out the chick's feeding bowl, and then we're gonna go wash it. Okay, bye. Let me go wash. Okay, now that I cleaned it, we gotta start putting the food in it. Remember, when you have starting to have just baby chicks like this, you gotta give them the starter food. Right here it says 20% starter grower for chicks. And so you're just gonna take a handful of that. And then you're just gonna take it. Watch it, guys. Put it in the food bowl. Once you do that, it's time to go to the water. Guys, move out. So I'm gonna go start cleaning it now. See you later. Now that I cleaned it, hello Angel, or no, that's Mildred. Hello Mildred. Yeah, now that I cleaned it, they already messed it up. We're gonna pour some water. See, cup of water. Pour it in, and they're just gonna go munching on it whenever they like. So, yeah. Thank you for watching today's video. And remember, always be nice to your little chicks, especially your favorites. Not really, be nice to all the chicks. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and to like the video. Bye!